just got home, but I gotta go grab a towel. And then we're gonna go to Walmart, fix my steering wheel, and then give this thing a wash. So let's go grab this towel. Oh wait, this door's not open. So I got the towel. Let me go tell my dad where I'm going. Hey, I'm going to Walmart. I'm gonna go get a steering wheel cover, and then I'm gonna wash my car.
Yeah, be careful. Hey,
Okay.
this is what we found in the garden. Dad found it.
Oh, cucumbers?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Alright, I'll be back.
Yeah. Be careful, the sneak is bad.
Ooh, she looked nice, even with the stock rims. Even with the stock. Alright, let's go to Walmart. Let's go to Walmart, get this cover. Oh, copyright music. Okay, I got the steering wheel to fit. It took forever though, but it's on there and it fits, so that's good. So now I'm gonna go to Hardee's and get quarters for these so I can clean it out, and yeah. Okay, I got new seats in, and then I got the steering wheel cover. Now I just need to wash it and we'll be good to go. Next thing we're gonna do is probably repaint this. But interior wise, the car is all fixed up, so that's good. It's really hot out here. I'm suffocating. So just gotta rinse this off and it should be good. Kinda like it coming off there. Okay, we got the car all cleaned up. Ready to go to the car show tomorrow. I'll film that. Sorry this video is short, but we cleaned up the car. We got we got some seat covers, and we got a steering wheel cover, so definitely helps out the car a lot. And yeah, that's gonna do it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace, guys.